Regain trust in a marriage. Trust is very important for a happy married life. It is one of the foundations of a good marriage. If a couple is having trouble in their marriage because one or the other has betrayed a partner's trust, it is very essential that they take the steps to rebuild the relationship by taking the necessary steps to regain the partner's trust if they want their marriage to work. Below are some ideas on how to regain trust in marriage. Be prepared for a long, hard climb to regain the trust of your partner. Trust in each other is built over a long period of time as you and your spouse learn about each other. Just like creating a foundation for your home, building your trust in each other is almost the same as laying a brick one on top of each other and sealing it with concrete to make it solid and stable. Therefore, repairing a broken trust will also take time. To save your marriage and regain the trust of your spouse, you have to make the effort to be honest and upfront with your spouse. You have to talk to your spouse and make the commitment to change and prevent secrets from creating a gap between you. Once you have made that commitment, make sure that you will prevent broken promises at all cost. Be more communicative and open with your spouse and discuss how you feel. Because the trust that your spouse has given to you has been cracked, it is easy for the aggrieved spouse to mistrust you again. The key to regaining that trust is for your spouse to be willing to trust you again. You have to take the steps to make your spouse believe that you are taking the necessary steps in rebuilding the trust. Your partner should be willing to forgive you and forget what caused the rift between you so that you can start again from step one. If this does not happen, then everything will be futile. If you are the one that has been betrayed, you need to accept the idea that you are willing to forgive your spouse and that you are giving your spouse that chance to try to gain your trust once again. If you are unwilling, you will not be able to forgive what happened and the road to a blissful marriage will be difficult to achieve. Although only one person may have caused the trust to be broken, the two of you should be willing to work and try to patch the marriage. Give the one who caused the trust to be broken to have another chance to fix the wrong that had been done and work towards gaining your trust once again. It may take time, but if the two of you are in agreement to make your marriage work and repair the broken trust, you will be able to go over this hurdle together and in all likelihood, build a stronger bond and better understanding of each other. You may want to seek the help of professional marriage counselor if you do not know where to start.